Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI MSQMS question paper from year 2016. Today we'll be solving question number 29 and question number 30 from the same paper. So let's begin with question number 29. In question number 29 it has been said that two dice are thrown simultaneously and then the probability of getting the two numbers whose product is even is given by 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and none of the above. So the scenario over here is that we have two dices and those are thrown simultaneously. In that case, the product of values should be the product of the values which are got on the two dice should be an even number. That is the criteria that we need to fulfill. So basically we know that there are 6 possible values in a dice, that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Out of this, even there are 3 even numbers which are 2, 4 and 6, and there are 3 odd numbers which are 1, 3 and 5. Now if the product of these values has to be an even number, so basically the combination is if for product to be even, if one value is odd, that means there are 3 cases, then for the product to be even, it has to be multiplied by an even number. Here we have 3 odd numbers are there and 3 even numbers are there. So cases here is 3 into 3, that is 27 possible combinations are there in which the product the product is an even number. This is one possible case. Now if one value is even, then upon multiplication with any of the 6 possible values, we get an even product. So basically the number of even numbers in this case is 3 and the total number of values are 6. So so 3 into 6 it gives 18. Sorry, I committed a mistake over here. 3 into 3 is not equal to 27. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So in this case, favorable cases is given by 9 from here plus 18, that is equal to 27 favorable cases exist, and total cases is given by 6 into 6, which is equal to 36. Therefore required probability is given by 27 upon 36, which is nothing by 3 by 4, and which is the option C. Now let's move on to the next question. The next question is question number 30. In question number 30, it has been said that we need to find out the range of the function f, which goes from r to r and is defined by fx is equal to sine of pi of greatest integer x upon x square plus 5. And the range, the options given are open interval -1 to 1, close interval -1 to 1, the set of values -1 and 1, and a set of values having the value 0. And these are the four options which are supposedly the range of the function fx, which is defined by this very structure. Now we have been given that f of x is equal to sine of pi of greatest integer of x upon x square plus 5. Now we know that greatest integer of x is always an integral value. So we can assume that greatest integer of x is equal to n, where n belongs to the set of integers. N keeps on changing, but it is basically an integer. We can assume that. So basically we can write that sine of pi of greatest integer of x is given by sine of n pi. Now sine of n pi is always equal to 0. This implies that f of x, which is given by sine of pi of greatest integer of x upon x square plus 5, this is equal to 0. So the range of f is given by the singleton set, which has the value 0, and this is the option D. So today we have solved question number 29 and 30 from the ISI MSQMS paper of year 2016. We'll be solving papers from other subjects in subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources classes for further solutions and content. Thank you very much.